Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in the lobby, tap the gear icon top right and open Settings. Once inside, go to Basic and locate Privacy. Do this now because the only way to stop profile visits is controlled here. Make sure you're logged into the exact account you want changed, otherwise you'll adjust the wrong profile. You'll see several toggles. Don't leave yet. The first actionable step is to find the specific profile visibility switch under Privacy, so you can change who can view or log visits. Once done locating Privacy, find the Profile Visit or Profile Visibility toggle. This is the control you need to disable. You flip it to Only Me or turn off public/profile visit logging. This prevents others from seeing when you viewed profiles. After flipping the switch, make sure to confirm or tap Save. Some versions require an explicit save. Close Settings and let the game apply changes. If there's a confirmation prompt, accept it, otherwise the toggle may not stick, and you'll keep appearing in visit lists. You're almost done. Restart PubG so the server and client sync the new privacy setting. If the toggle reverts or visits still show, clear the app cache and reboot your device. Next, check for game update and install it. Make sure your account type, guest linked to social, supports privacy toggles. Sometimes guest accounts behave differently. If problems persist, contact PubG Mobile support and provide your account ID. This lets them check server-side flags and finalize the disable for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.